We're going into the haunted tunnel again.
Yeah, and you got
Okay.
You got Isaiah here again.
Let's go.
Go on, Mr. Me.
This is scary.
Not even a light, bro.
There's no light.
We have no light.
For this part of the video,
Actually,
most of it's just him
going down
talking
here right
and
now.
story
Last
for
video,
witness.
we had no
Okay.
light.
Now let's
Last
get back to
video,
the
we had
tunnel.
light. Sorry, guys. Well, last video we had a light, and then now this video we have no light. Oh!
Bruh, there was nothing there.
Oh crap!
Oh crap, indeed.
Dude, that was scary. What was that? Well, guys, kids, I come on. Let's go down there again. I do. Let's go down there again. I'm going down. Hey, I'll kick it this time.
Okay.
I'm going down. You kick it. I'm going down.
That was scary. Okay, what we were scared of was there were these like huge thunder noises under the street, and we felt like we were gonna die.
Okay. Kick it out again.
Let's go down lower. Listen closely. Make sure your volume is all the way up. Put your ear right next to the thing where you hear your thing.
Oh my gosh. What was that? I don't know.
There's like literally something down there, like hitting something.
Do that again.
No. Okay. I'm gonna end the video in the tunnel this time. Trying to figure out this mystery. Bye. It's been crazy.